All rise. Judge Vonda B court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1017, Allen case. Judge, both parties have been sworn.
Thank you. You all may be seated. Okay. Mrs. Allen or Miss Allen?
It's Mrs. still.
Mrs. Okay. You brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, my husband and I have been separated for 5 months.
Okay.
And now I have filed for divorce. He has started seeing someone else, and I would like back pay for our son. He is 12 years old.
Okay. Do you want back pay because he's seeing someone else?
Well, because he is supporting somebody else. He's no longer in our home. Okay. And I would like to have back pay and start paying child support for our son. That he is living with me.
Okay. I just want to make sure we're not... You want back pay for the child, right? Not necessarily because he's moved on.
Yes.
In today's courtroom twist, a separated couple goes head-to-head not just over divorce, but over money, parenting, and personal betrayal. Mrs. Allen isn't just asking for child support. She's asking for back pay, and it's personal. Her husband has moved on, and not with just anyone. He's now dating her former yoga student. What starts as a legal battle quickly turns emotional. Can the court separate money from revenge? Or is this case headed for a deeper collision?
Okay. Since he left, has he given you any type of support?
Yes.
Okay. How much?
About
600.
600 each month?
Money orders every month, ma'am.
Okay. Money orders? Okay, good. And it looks like you turned those in to me. Okay. So you want child support and back pay?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Okay. And what do you have to say about that?
I don't think I need to give back pay. It's like we just had mentioned. I've been giving her $600 every month in money orders. Plus, I take care of the insurance.
Okay. And how much is the insurance exactly?
Insurance is $109.
Okay. And I like that you came prepared with your notes and stuff. You don't see too many people come to court with their documents, so that's good. So about this significant other, do you believe that that's the reason you're being brought to court now?
Yes, completely.
Okay. Is there a story behind that? Like, did they have an argument, a disagreement?
Well, they don't like each other.
I mean, obviously.
Well, thing is that she's a yoga instructor.
Okay.
And she works, she does her yoga. And the woman I'm seeing now actually is a former student of hers.
Oh, so you know her.
Knew her.
You knew her.
Yes.
Were you guys friends?
She was an acquaintance that I'd help her, took her under my wing. She's younger. She's 20 years younger than me.
And you're mad about that?
I'm not happy about it. I mean, wouldn't you be? I mean, what do you expect, you know?
Well, me personally, this has nothing to do with me.
Yeah, but yeah, I mean, it's caught me off guard. I do focus myself a lot at work. He's upset, so I'm hardly focusing on him. So I guess that's why he decided to find somebody else.
She's focused on her work and not on me and her son. And that's the reason why we're having issues now.
Okay. And that's the reason, obviously, why you guys are split and you're with someone else.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Based on your financial documents that you provided, it looks like you own an accounting firm. You make about $85,000 a year?
Correct.
Okay. And health insurance, you said, who covers that?
I do.
How much is that?
$109 a month.
Okay. So what we are going to do is calculate your child support and...
Mrs. Allen claims she deserves back pay, but the husband fires back. He's been giving her $600 a month in money orders and even pays for their son's health insurance. He's prepared and shows receipts. Still, Mrs. Allen isn't satisfied. She says he's moved on and now supports someone else, so she wants more. But is this about financial fairness or emotional fallout? The court starts to peel away the personal tension to find the legal truth.
The calculation comes out to, if there is a difference, then the back pay would be, what you've already paid would be a credit towards that. So you wouldn't necessarily get the full amount of what the back pay should be. And you shouldn't expect it because he has proof that he's giving you money and you actually agreed that he's been giving you money. So based on your $85,000 a year, I have your gross at $6,974. Net comes out to $5,493.29. And I gave you credit for your medical, the 109 that you carry for the child, and that's for the child only, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I gave you credit for that. So that brings your child support obligation, well, not the full amount, but it's $1,098.60. Okay? $1,098.60. And when you multiply that by 5 months, back pay comes out to $5,493, giving you credit for what you've paid. You said $600?
Yes.
Okay, so $600 times 5 for the past 5 months will be $3,000. That's what you get a credit for. So when you apply the credit to the $5,493, it comes out to $2,493 that's remaining for back pay.
Now here's the twist. Mrs. Allen's ex isn't just with a new woman. He's with her old yoga student, someone she once mentored. That's right. He's dating a woman 20 years younger who used to be under Mrs. Allen's wing. Things just went from uncomfortable to explosive. The betrayal stings more because of the history, not just the relationship. The judge sees the emotions spilling over, but still, the focus remains. Is the child being financially supported fairly? Clip 4. Judge gets down to business. With an $85,000 annual income, the husband should be paying $1,098 a month, far more than the $600 he's been sending. The $600 isn't enough. Mrs. Allen may be upset emotionally, but the numbers reveal a clear financial shortfall. Now it's no longer about feelings, it's about math, obligation, and legal standards. The judge is about to drop the real bill, plus interest.
The way that we kind of make sure you pay that over time, you want to cover the interest on the amount each month.
Okay.
So you can do about $149 would be interest if you do like 6% interest every month, which is what the state is entitled to. So about $150 a month would cover the interest, and you would add that to the monthly child support obligation. So that will make your full monthly child support obligation of $1,248.
Okay. But
And once that $2,493 is paid in full, the amount will go back down to the $1,098.60.
I mean, I've been giving her money. I think the 600 was sufficient.
Well, technically, it is good that you did give her money, but your child support obligation based on what you make comes out to about $400 more than that. So you were short. Had you been giving her $1,000 a month, it would have probably covered it.
Crunch time. The court calculates the back pay. He owes $5,493, but he gets credit for the $600 per month he already sent, totaling $3,000. That leaves $2,493 owed. But wait, it gets worse. The state charges interest. That bumps his monthly payment from $1,098 to $1,248 until the back pay is paid off. The husband argues it's unfair. He thought $600 was enough. But in court, good intentions don't erase shortfalls. He's legally short, and now it's time to pay up.
Minus maybe $100 or something like that. But yeah, that's the reason why you have back pay owed. But you did get a credit for the $600 that you did give her for the past 5 months.
The judge makes it clear, once the $2,493 back pay is handled, the payment will drop back to the original $1,098 per month. But until then, he's locked into the higher amount. The husband still protests, but there's no turning back. This is the cost of coming up short, even partially. The courtroom is quiet, but the reality is loud. In family court, what's fair and what's legal don't always feel the same.
Okay. Do you all have any other questions? Anything else we need to discuss here today? Okay, well, if there's nothing further, you all are dismissed. You're welcome.
So there you have it. Despite 5 months of payments, the husband is now on the hook for nearly $2,500 in back pay and a child support bump to over $1,200 a month. Was this just about justice for the child, or payback for a broken heart? Did Mrs. Allen push too far, or was she right to demand what the law says she's owed? Let us know your take in the comments. And if you love real courtroom breakdowns like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.